I'm preparing frying this dry fish. This is katta dry fish. I have washed it and dried it, and it has to be really dry. I left it on a piece of paper and now it's dry. Onions, curry leaves, green chilli, saffron, flour and curry powder, coarse chilli and fine chilli, red chilli, and little sauce. I have mixed the saffron, curry powder and flour together, and I have to coat the dry fish. The oil is hot and I am adding the dry fish, the coated dry fish. I have fried the fish, the dry fish. Now I have to add the onions, green chilies, curry leaves, now you add the chilli, the coarse chilli and the powder both. Now you mix it well, and after that add a little tomato sauce, right? And now once the onions are little fried like till they are raw, you wash them. Now I have added the onions, chilies, everything, and the onions are now cooked, so it's over, and you can have it. It's tasty. You can try do this, and the pieces won't get dark black when you sort of do that with the flour and all that. When you coat it, it doesn't get black like. Now I have finished preparing it, and it's ready to go to the table now.